In today's video, I'm going to teach you lost your drawing in AutoCAD. Here is how to zoom back to it. If you've ever panned a little too far or zoomed out until your screen looks completely empty, don't worry, your drawing is almost certainly still there. The fastest way to bring everything back into view is to use Zoom Extents with your mouse. On a standard mouse, the middle scroll wheel also acts as a button. Simply double-click that wheel. No need to drag or scroll, just a quick double-click. AutoCAD will instantly adjust the view so all visible geometry fits neatly on your screen. This is perfect when you are lost in space or working on a large file and need an immediate reset. If you prefer the keyboard, T here is a reliable command line method that does exactly the same thing. Type Z, press Enter. Then type E, and press Enter again. Think of it as Zoom Extents. This is especially handy on laptops or when your mouse button isn't behaving. As long as you are not in the middle of another command, AutoCAD will zoom to show every visible object in the current space. Sometimes, though, you might notice the view zooms out way farther than you expect. That's a common sign that stray objects are lurking far away from the main drawing. Maybe a tiny point, a fragment of a line, or an accidental click that created geometry off in the distance. To check for this, press Ctrl-A to select everything in the drawing. When you do, AutoCAD shows grips, those small blue squares on selected objects. If you see grips hugging the very edge of your screen or sitting far from your main model area, that's your clue that stray objects are skewing the drawing. Extents. Knowing they're there explains why Zoom Extents pulls back so much. When you are done checking, clear the selection and continue working. If Zoom Extents is still taking you too far out because of those strays, remember that the behavior is normal. It's responding to everything it can see in the file. The key takeaway is that the double-click on the middle mouse wheel and the Z Enter, E Enter sequence both bring your drawing back into view quickly. And the Control-A check helps you understand when something outside your main area is affecting the zoom. With these simple techniques, you'll never feel lost in your AutoCAD drawing again. Thanks for watching.